So as I'm oiling the backs, it's just amazing how similar wood and stone are. So here you have the color of it before the oil, and then here with the oil on it before oiled. And this is not polished. This is the back of the stone. This is just the rough, maybe they ran it across the sander a little bit to even it out, so it might not have been the raw cut, but it's it's smooth, but it's not polished or anything. Just amazing the difference. And I did oil the front of this one. It really pops out there. So it's kind of like an extreme sealer. The oil would be very thick. So just to show how similar they are. And maybe it is the cut. I mean, you can see the little ridges right there. But it still looks great. So I guess if you were worried about, this side would have more texture to it. Okay, the beauty of stone with linseed oil on it. Granites.